Welcome dear students in your chemistry class. Now we are here with a continuation of the chapter Structure of Atom. Dear students, in the previous video we have tried to understand the concept related with Rutherford model of an atom. But the major disadvantage of that model was that when we have any accelerated charge particle, then this accelerated charge particle, for example electron, it will continuously emit energy. It will continuously emit energy, and after some time the electron, while radiating its energy, it will finally move into the nucleus. When electron fall into the nucleus, the complete assumption of atom will be vanished. So this problem was solved by Bohr. So today in this video we are going to start Bohr model of atom. So let us start Bohr model of atom.
Dear students, this model was given by Neil Bohr. In order to overcome the objections raised against the Rutherford model of the atom, Neil Bohr put forward the following postulates about the model of an atom. Neil Bohr was appointed of professor of physics at the Copenhagen University, and because of this structure of atom, he got Nobel Prize in 1922. What are the main postulates about the model of an atom, which was forwarded by Bohr? The first postulate was only certain special orbits of electrons are allowed inside the atom. It means किसी भी atom के अंदर कुछ special orbits को ही allow किया जाएगा. Like this. Okay, these are the orbits. The second point is, while revolving in discrete orbits, the electrons do not radiate energy, and this is very important because हमने पीछे रदरफोर्ड मॉडल ऑफ एटम में ये ड्रॉबैक देखा था कि व्हेन एन एक्सीलरेटेड चार्ज पार्टिकल, जब भी कोई चार्ज पार्टिकल एक्सीलरेटेड मोशन करता है, इट विल रेडिएट एनर्जी, वो अपने अंदर से एनर्जी को रेडिएट करेगा, और एक टाइम आता है कि जब फाइनली वो न्यूक्लियस के चारों तरफ रिवॉल्व करता हुआ न्यूक्लियस में गिर जाता है, एंड द कंप्लीट assumption of atom will be vanished. But बोहर ने बताया कि जब भी कोई एक इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्क्रीट एनर्जी लेवल में रिवॉल्व करेगा, so while revolving in discrete orbits the electron will not radiate energy. इलेक्ट्रॉन अपनी एनर्जी को रेडिएट नहीं करेगा. Okay, like this. Number 3, these orbits or shells are called the energy levels, which are represented by K shell, L shell, M shell or N shell, and these are represented by the N, that is N is equals to 1, that is stands for K shell, N is equals to 2 for L shell, N is equals to 3 for M shell, and N is equals to 4 for N shell, and so on. And dear students, these orbits or shells, which are known as energy levels, are represented here. The center part of the atom is called nucleus, and this nucleus contains positive charge, and around the nucleus there are some discrete energy levels in which the electron revolve, और जब इलेक्ट्रॉन इन discrete energy level में रिवॉल्व करता है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन एनर्जी रेडिएट नहीं करता, और यही स्टेबिलिटी प्रोवाइड कराता है. Okay, now the question is कि in discrete energy level K shell, L shell, M shell और N shell में इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किस तरह होगा? How are the electrons distributed in different orbits? So the maximum number of electron in given is given by a formula that is 2n square. If we talk about for K shell, then for K shell the n will be 1, 2n square, and the maximum number of electron will be 2. It means the maximum number of electron present in a shell is given by the formula 2n square, where n is the orbit number or energy level. Hence the maximum number of electron in different shells are as follows. If we talk about K shell, it has 2 electrons. If we talk about L shell, then for L shell, it will have n is equals to 2, and the maximum number of electron will be given by 2n square. n की प्लेस पर आप 2 पुट करेंगे, 2 2 2 जा 4 4 2 जा 8. It means L shell will contain 8 electron, and similarly the M shell will contain 18 electron, and the N shell will contain 32 electron, and so on. The next important point is the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the outermost orbit is 8. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the outermost orbit is 8, and electrons are accommodated in a given shell unless the inner shells are filled. जब तक K shell fill नहीं होती तब तक आप इलेक्ट्रॉन को L shell में fill नहीं करेंगे. When L shell is filled, then the electron will move into the M shell and then in N shell. Okay. Now we will draw some schematic atomic structure of the first few elements for hydrogen. For hydrogen, the symbol is H, atomic number is 1. So हाइड्रोजन के लिए हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे सेंटर में पॉजिटिव प्रोटॉन दैट इज न्यूक्लियस, और इसके लिए हाइड्रोजन के लिए ये आ जाएगा. सेकंड यूज करेंगे हीलियम के लिए. हीलियम का सिंबल होता है He, 2He4. So helium has 2 electrons. The central part is nucleus, and helium will have 2 electrons like this for K shell. This is for the K shell. Then lithium. Dear students, lithium symbol is Li, and it has 3 electrons. So center part is nucleus. For K shell, it has 2 electrons. For L shell, it has 1 electron. So through this way, we can draw so many schematic diagram like the beryllium, which have symbol Be and atomic number 4. So center part will be nucleus. K shell will contain 2 electron. Then L shell will contain rest 2 electron. K shell and L shell. Similarly, we can draw the structure of boron, symbol B, atomic number 5. Central part is nucleus. K shell contain 2 electron, और बचे हुए 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन जाएंगे L shell में. ये आपका K shell और ये आपका L shell. So this is all about the symmetric atomic structure of the few elements. Thank you so much.